Hello, John here, giving a quick demo of the cards widget used in Content Buddy. Here we're using a cards widget of preset 3. Let's head into the global configuration of this widget. First, we have a heading feature here, which allows us to change, the heading of this widget. Follow your dreams. Let's put it as cards widget demo. Next, we have the introduction, which lies right here. As you can see on the right hand side, let's just change that. Cards widget intro. Here we have it. We have another feature here, switch to plain HTML. Let's go on that, which allows us to specify or put in custom HTML tags, which can be very handy. Let's go back to the CK editor. We have a cards per row feature. This allows us to specify how many cards will be shown per row. This is set on 3 by default, which means for each row there can only be 3 cards. Let's put this to 2 and see what happens. So now there can only be 2 cards per row. So if I added in a fourth card, it will be right here. Let me just demonstrate that. Go open up the cards and add a new item. And here is our newly created card. Heading 1, here it is. Well, since we're here, let's continue on to in the cards configuration. Click open in profile. Let me change this card title to card 1. Here you have it being changed. Let's go to the next one, card subtitle. Card 1 sub, and here it is, changed. Next, we have a card content. This is just the content of the card, of course. What is it going to be? Card 1 content. And here we have it. Switch to plain HTML, same as before. You can write in your own HTML tags. Image, we can change this image. Let's use buddies.png. And here's our buddies.png image. Button label. Let's see more. No button label being shown. This is because there is no button URL specified. So you put in a button URL, and here you have your button. Very cool. We can also open in a new tab. This is very useful if you're linking external links. You don't want an external link to be opened in the current page. You may want to you may want the user to be on another tab while still having your internal page available to the user. Very handy stuff. Button class. We can put in multiple classes in here. BTN special. This is for styling purposes. Maybe you want to put all the styling in your button. Maybe you want this button BTN special here, this class, to do some like special styling for this specific button. But not all buttons have it, you see. Very cool. Next, everything here is pretty much the same as what I've just shown you with card 1. Lastly, I'll show you how you can delete, add, and reorganize a card to however you like. So this is how you will delete. You will click on this bin icon, recycling bin icon, just delete it like that. You can duplicate one. You can duplicate a card by clicking on this icon. And here you have it. It gets created on the last row of the cards configuration. You can also change the order, like so. Just click on this navigation icon. Very cool. And here you have it. Copy to your message. And this is about it for the cards widget. I shall shortly provide a quick screenshot of the final result of editing this in the front end very soon. Thank you.